Today I'm going to show you how to use the question bank feature as well as how to shuffle assessment actions and choices. A question bank is when you have a large number of questions, but you want the system to randomly select a set of questions for your users. So each individual user will receive different sets of questions. So first, I will put in some assessment actions. Right now, I have 5 assessment actions in this session. This is my question bank. What I want to do is to allow the system to randomly select 3 questions for each of my learner. So firstly, I will switch on assessment mode and set number of randomized assessment shown to learners as 3. As a user, what I will see right now is that 3 questions are randomly selected for me. This is the question bank function. Next, I can also shuffle assessment actions. As a learner, what I see right now, the questions are in order, question 2, 3, 5. If I want each learner to experience different order of assessment actions, I can switch this on. And immediately as a learner, I see that the order of actions is now shuffled. Lastly, I can also shuffle the order of choices. At the moment, all the incorrect answers are at the top. I can switch this on to shuffle the order of choices. There you go.